Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about primary colors. So meet Aditya. Aditya will tell you about primary colors and he will also color a wheel using primary colors. So are you ready for it?
Yes!
Let's get started.
You want to be artist? You want to know primary colors. Let's get started.
Aditya, how many colors you have?
3 colors.
Can you show me? Can you tell me the names of the color?
Blue, yellow, red.
Okay, so what you're going to do with these 3 colors?
3 colors.
Yes. What are you going to do, Aditya?
I color the wheel
With which color?
with paint.
Okay, using primary colors?
Yes!
Very good. So let's get started. Which color is this, Aditya?
Yellow and blue.
No, which color you are painting right now?
Blue.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Yellow, red, blue is the primary colors.
Okay. And what colors are here?
Yellow and red.
So, just mix it.
Mix it.
Yes. So, which color we will get when we mix yellow and red?
We mix and yellow, red. It become orange.
Okay. So, color it nice.
Look, Mama, it's orange color.
Okay. How did you get it?
With the yellow and red.
Okay.
I have blue and yellow. I will mix blue.
Mix both yellow and blue. So, which color you are getting now?
Green.
Oh.
Coming become green.
Okay. So, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Is it fun?
Is it fun? Very, very fun.
Yes.
I have red and blue. I will mix it
Hmm.
and it become purple.
Okay. Show me. Which color is this?
It's become purple.
Okay.
Red,
Hmm.
yellow,
Yes.
and
They are?
primary color.
Okay.
And orange,
Hmm.
purple,
Hmm.
and green
Hmm.
are
Secondary colors.
secondary colors.
Today we learned about primary colors. These are the primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. And we also colored a very nice wheel with help of Aditya. Yes, thank you so much, Aditya.
Thank you so much, Aditya.
Okay, so if we see this color wheel, then it has many colors. How many colors? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
6.
6. It has 6 colors. So these colors, that is here, that is red, orange, and yellow, are called warm colors.
Wow.
And purple, blue, green are called cool colors.
Cool color.
So, these colors, the red, orange, yellow, used to color sun, fire, those things which are warm. And these colors, that is green, blue and purple, used to color trees and water.
And then sad and fit.
Yes,
Sad and happy.
yes, they are also called happy and sad color. So these are happy colors and these are sad colors.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone.
Hope you enjoy the painting session.
Hope you enjoyed the painting session.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Take care.